Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Star Driving School. Welcome. How are you? Bem-vindos. Okay, today I am having a Syrian lady. You're from Syria?
Well,
Italia?
France.
France? You're from
Colombia.
Colombia.
Whatever. What else?
You're from Africa? No,
Turkey.
Oh yeah,
India. Pakistan.
India. You're Pakistani.
Lebanon.
Okay, Kemcho or Gujarati. Kaise ho? This is Indian.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a lot of international background, right?
Apparently.
Yes, everyone is saying something for you. So what we are doing now, welcome, thank you so much. We are doing G2 practice. So
Yes.
are you ready? Are you ready, guys? So G2 Chad, Windsor, right? We are in Windsor. Yeah, so we are in Windsor now. G2 start from here. Let's go. Let's get started.
Let's go.
Yeah. Left. Yeah, good turning. Turn left. So we went to the right side, so we're gonna go left side now.
Left. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, claro. Take it. If it is clear and far, take it, please.
Yes, sir.
Your husband is a good barbecue cook, eh?
Oh yeah.
Turn left.
He is. He's awesome.
Yeah. Tell him make one halal barbecue. I will come.
Yeah. Would you?
Yeah, but halal one.
Oh, he's gonna be so happy.
Yeah, not pork.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
No pork.
no pork, please. Yeah. Okay, forget to check blind spot. It's better to check blind spot. Okay. We are in Canada. We drink
Yeah.
Canadian coffee. Canadian brand, Tim Hortons. Yes. That's good. Hi to your husband from here. Hello, husband.
He's gonna watch the video.
That's great. He's also going, you told me he's going for competition for barbecues, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great, yeah.
He loves barbecue.
He's so good at it, yeah?
He's good. He's getting better. He likes the Brazilian style barbecue too.
We're gonna go left at the traffic light. Okay, perfect. You see the back tire of the car?
Oh, perfect.
Mm-hmm.
That's the
Distance.
perfect distance.
Yeah, distance.
Yeah, good job. Distância.
Yeah. El corre fronte,
Em frente.
frente.
Uhum.
Yeah. Para ver what's tire?
Pneu.
Pneu.
Uhum.
Para ver pneu.
Então a gente precisa parar uma certa distância que você consiga ver o pneu do carro à sua frente. Né?
Yeah. Ooh, I help.
Oh, juice.
Good.
Okay.
Good part. Okay. Just the car is coming. Hey, I have a good video now. We gotta change lane to right when it is safe.
Always.
Yeah. So this part is so important.
I was too excited about the Portuguese thing.
10 right, yes. When you're talking Portuguese.
Yeah, I just struck it from the Canadian
Yes.
traffic.
Yes. So oncoming traffic was coming. You didn't see.
Nope.
I like this part. So
No!
So we're gonna make it short. Million will watch.
Straight?
Straight, yeah. 40 please.
Huh?
Going 40.
Em frente.
Yeah, control.
I don't
40.
40. Oh shoot.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So speed is 40. You have to go 40.
Okay. Are
So-
we gonna do a road test here, maybe?
Maybe yes.
Maybe yes.
Yes.
Ooh,
Yes. So you have to make sure turn left here.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you cannot turn the
No?
wheel. Yeah.
I
Wait.
cannot just like.
Yes. No.
Oh.
Then go. Yes. You have to wait for the oncoming traffic.
I'm just gonna like.
No, if you do like this, exam is gonna think. Oh, you are going.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Park in the parallelo. There's a big car.
This one?
Yeah. This car is a big car. Yes, good. That's good distance. Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Other side. Other side.
I need more coffee.
Yeah. No. Yes. You need. Okay. Just take your coffee. The brain should work a little bit.
Jeez.
And sometimes eat almond, fish,
Yeah?
almond, fish, dry grape. That's
No.
oh, it's so
No,
so
no.
good for brain.
No, I can't. I can drive like any kind of like
No,
dried fruits.
no, dry. Yeah, really?
No.
You know grapes?
No, I can't. No, I love grapes, but not when they.
Dry?
No.
Okay. It's
No. In Brazil, they used to put like those dry things in like in a rice or every like kind of like Christmas food, like the meals.
you don't like it?
It's too sweet. I don't know. I don't like the texture.
Let's go.
It's no.
A good living? Yes.
Yeah. So we want this.
Pull over. Three-point turn. Muy bien.
Yay.
Yeah. So let's pull over here. So when you pull over, no need to put park and handbrake.
No?
Wait for examiner instruction.
Okay.
So examiner is gonna tell you uphill parking or downhill parking. Let's do uphill with curb. Okay, let's go. That's great. Uphill all the way left, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But the wheel is not turning because you are too close to curb.
Oh no, that's
Yeah.
a bad thing.
It's not good.
Jeez.
Yeah. Okay.
So, did I fail?
No, it's not fail. Reason why you will lose point. So a little bit, go up a little bit. Okay, now full left. Turn the wheel full left. So you can turn now. Yeah. Handbrake up. Uphill with curb. Let's vámonos. Perfect. good turning.
This is kind of confusing. The bike lane and the parking spots.
Yeah. 45, 46, 47. Good job, Sabrine. You like speed? It's fail reason. Failed. Wasted. Turn left. If the speed is 40, you have to be around 40, 41, 42, 43. Yeah, something like that. Not 44, 45.
Okay. If I speed up, I fail.
Yeah, it's automatic fail, unfortunately. So here you have to speed up, then switch lane to the right. Cambia carril. Cambia de carril. No, cambia el carril. 57, 56. Again, turn right at the
But-
traffic light.
What's the speed here?
50.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. If it was red, then turned to the green. So that's why you have to see the traffic light.
Yeah, like
The
the
speed
speed
is
limit. It's my main concern.
yeah, speed is so important. Yeah.
It just changes every time, like 40 to 50, and then
Your distance is good. Your stopping is so smooth. Stopping is so smooth. Yeah. This is also a losing point. Jerk brake and stopping late. If you don't give. Yeah, this
I think
guy.
it might be dying.
He's
or
a crazy,
something.
crazy, crazy.
He
Yeah.
might be pregnant and delivering a baby right now. That's why he's in a rush.
Yeah, or he's going to washroom.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
He need to.
Yeah, in Turkey we say that someone is so rush and aggressive and rush or no patient, and we give the turn right. We give the example of the expression of the going washroom. Yeah, from here, white broken, check blind spot. You can enter from here. Good. So red signal, complete stop. Stop pare complete. Espeja 3 segundos. Turn right. 3 second wait. After that, if it is clear, you can go. Okay. Park left. Perfecto. Okay. Let's summarize. Speed limit, please. Oncoming traffic, wait in the intersection. Oncoming, wait for the intersection, and don't turn the wheel straight. When the green arrow is gone, your right of way is gone. The green arrow,
Yeah.
it's your right of way. Arrow is gone, your right of way is gone. That's so important. Look at the camera here. You are there. What else we're gonna say? At the red signal, complete stop. At the red signal, complete stop. Wait for 3 seconds. Okay, this guy just throw it the cigarette. Yeah, see, I see the cigarette is there. That's not good. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Speed, so important. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Valeu, galera.
Yeah, so we're gonna do one Portuguese video later on.
Yes.
Okay. Promise?
Pinky promise.
Thank you so much. All the best in your exam. Tomorrow you have exam.
Thank you.
Yeah, hopefully tomorrow you will pass your test. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah. I will ask ChatGPT to pray for you. Do you know that?
Okay, no.
Look,
Is there a thing?
can you pray for my student? She has a test tomorrow for G2 test in Ontario.
Got it. I hope she feels prepared and confident. If there's anything specific you'd like to go over with her or any last minute tips you need, just let me know.
Yeah, give some tips for last minute tips.
Absolutely. Here are a few quick tips. One, practice parking. Make sure she's comfortable with parallel parking and 3-point turns, as these are often tested. 2, check blind spots. Remind her to always check her blind spots before changing lanes or turning. 3, smooth driving. Encourage smooth acceleration and braking to keep the ride comfortable and controlled. 4, stay calm. Remind her to stay calm and focused and to take deep breaths if she feels nervous. And 5, know the rules. Make sure she's clear on all the road signs and rules of the road, especially those specific to Ontario. Hopefully these help boost her confidence. Let me know if you need anything more specific.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're very welcome.
ChatGPT, have a good day. I don't know if she's having one. Everyone is asking her questions.
Yeah.
She might go crazy.
Yes. Thank you. Bye bye, guys. Okay. Just 1 second. Please, guys, subscribe our channel, like our videos.
Se inscreve, curte e compartilha.
Thank you so much.